I started putting stones down, and then I had this image, like this tail grew, and I realized that this was becoming a dragon, and it reminded me of my friend Linda Ragsdale, who has the Peace Dragon project. And so I continued my dragon and put wings, and then I had my dragon standing on a peace sign because he is a peace dragon. And then I drew my picture of the peace dragon, and I thought it would be kind of cool, seeing as rocks are circular-ish, like a peace sign. I decided to make my drawing all out of peace signs, and that is the Peace Dragon, dedicated to Linda Ragsdale, created here at the second annual Stonework Clay International Celebration. It was really, really fun and very relaxing too. I feel more peaceful.
Stumbled in on International Stone Day, is that what it is? And so we just jumped right in. And, I tried to make a mandala type thing, but it got swept away, so that's very zen right there. And Sophia made like a little stone road and then moved on to other things, and then got everything wet and shiny, and so I just tried to draw as best we could. Mine are very literal translations of them. And well, mine was the mandala. It was 4 groups. No, just more or less. It was okay. 5 bunches of 5 swept away just like that. I drew them from memory, so I don't really doing what I saw or thought I saw, so they probably didn't even look that good. And then took liberties with my daughter. Not the best picture, but
what does liberty feel? My daughter.
Nice while we were doing it, especially nice to watch her. Just turned my back, and then she had them all nicely arranged in a nice rectangle, almost looked like a road, or as Peter said, a jetty.
Would you like to do it at home? Would you like to have some stones at home?
Oh, I think she would definitely like to. Definitely.
How you use the spray bottle. Give it some sheen. Looks good.
Rapunzel was lonely in the tower. She saw an abandoned cat and she brought it to the tower. Rapunzel loved looking out of the tower at the stars and planets. So she named the cat Milky Way because the stone tail looks like the Milky Way.
Wow. Colors are so pretty.
A llama and a unicorn met each other, and they played for a little while. And the llama asked the unicorn, "Can you be my friend?" And the unicorn said, "Yes, I will be your friend." The end.
Tomorrow, bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. Just thinking about tomorrow, clears away the cobwebs and the sorrow, till there's none. And I think of a day that's gray and cloudy.
And
I just pick up my chin and grin and say,